let's talk about the black-eyed Susan. This cheerful flower is a favorite among goldfinches. Its bright yellow petals and dark center provide a feast for their eyes and a tasty treat for their beaks. Moving on, we have the purple coneflower. This beauty is a magnet for butterflies and birds alike. Its vibrant purple petals and sweet nectar make it irresistible to our winged friends. Lastly, we can't forget about the sunflower. These giants not only bring joy to our hearts but also attract a variety of birds, including chickadees and titmice. Watching them perch on the sturdy stems is a sight to behold. So, if you want to create a haven for birds in your garden, consider planting these native flowers. Not only will you be helping our feathered friends, but you'll also be adding beauty and life to your surroundings. Let's make our gardens a paradise for birds together.